Big one for Claude Code users today. Anthropic just opened an official plugin directory, a curated marketplace you install from right inside the editor. Here it is, straight from the source. It is a curated repo of high-quality plugins. Some are built by Anthropic, others come from partners and the community, and it has already crossed 30,000 stars. The directory splits into internal plugins maintained by Anthropic and external ones from the community. Anthropic wants to trust an external plugin before you install it. A single plugin can bundle MCP servers, /commands, and skills, so installing one can wire up a whole workflow at once. From inside Claude Code, you browse the marketplace and install a plugin, and it brings its tools along with it. No manual wiring. It turns Claude Code into a platform. Install a plugin and get its MCP servers, commands, and skills instantly. Just vet the external ones before you trust them. Now you're one step ahead. Subscribe to BirenAI to stay there.